Hey everyone, my name is Rick. Today I'm going to make a short video about 5 minutes long. I'm going to teach you how to make money without any investment. All you need to do is do this. So if you've never heard of NFTs, they're non-fungible tokens. They're basically digital assets that are traded and operate on the blockchain. If you don't know what the blockchain is, do some research, but this video is not for explaining what the blockchain is. It's just simply teaching you how to make money by selling NFTs and getting giveaways for free. So there are going to be some websites. I'm going to list them down below in the YouTube video underneath in the link description below. There will be several websites that you can go on and check. And one of them will be the one that I'm going to show you right now called icy.tools. So check out, this is icy.tools. This is basically just a website that just shows you the trending NFTs, the different projects that are available. Many different projects are offering various different things, but they more or less do the same thing. So for example, this is to do with bears, this is cats, this is dragons, this is some weird swamp verse thing. And the list goes on and it gets weirder and weirder and weirder, but they all have some kind of different thing to it where they have burn mechanisms, or you can merge the NFTs together to create more unique NFTs and so on and so forth. But just for the purpose of the short video, I'm just going to teach you how you go about getting into the free giveaways so you can actually accumulate these NFTs so you can sell them for turning into a profit. So for example, let's just click on here, Meta Billionaire, just for the sake of the video. Sounds like a cool name. And all you do is you go to their Discord. You go to Discord. Once you're on your Discord, you accept the invite. And this is just like another social media similar to, it's just like a, it's like a sort of more organized social media that they can give away more stuff like announcements and prize giveaways and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to go and have a look down here. I need to complete some basic agreements, basically. No harassment and all. No, there's no sexism, no racism, hate speech, and etc. Submit. No, I'm not going to do that. And then you just go and have a look and see here, they have like pre-sales and all this kind of stuff here. These have been sold out, announcements. I'm not sure if they have the prize giveaways, but I'm just showing you where, there you go, giveaways. And we have decided to choose members with very interesting conversation. We're looking forward to this kind of community members. So basically what they want is they want to find community members that are willing to like promote the project, invite people to their, invite people to their projects, to get people to buy NFTs from them. And they usually give away prizes to the people who, attract more users to their Discord and participate in NFTs. And for you doing that, you actually get NFTs. They'll give you them away. So that's one way of learning how to do it. There's also like Twitter winner, you can look 14 out of 11 giveaways. Here are the winners. Here's the Instagram winner, and here's the Twitter winner. And they're just literally giving away prizes and to all the people that participate. So you don't need any investment at all to get started. This is just one way of finding projects. So you can just go down here on icy.tools and just scroll down. You just click on anything you want. This one, they'll probably have a Discord. You go to the Discord, you join it, and just look for giveaways and announcements or prize giveaways. And that's it. Sometimes they will give you like promotional tools that you can download, and you can go to social medias and you shill these projects on like Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. And for doing so, getting likes, you send screenshots, you show to the community that you've done this, and they'll airdrop you and give you free NFTs. Then you can hold on to your NFTs, and then 6 months later, once the project takes off and they're now worth a lot more money, you can then sell them for a profit. So there you go. You don't need any investment, just a Wi-Fi connection and a little bit of, just savvy, and then boom, you're making profit. Here's another website, OpenSea. So OpenSea, you can just basically go in here. You can type in any kind of thing, bull, for example, or I'm just saying this for the sake of typing in something. So let's find here, and then again, Discord. You go to Discord, you accept the invite. And this is another website, NFTs, NFT, project called Bullsium. And they also do community delisted contest entry. So here we go, contest entry. So they're doing contests within their project. Most likely they'll be giving away NFTs as prizes. And then that's it. So like, that's all you need to do. You just need to go to these websites, find out exactly what NFTs are doing giveaways, and you participate in the giveaways. And that is all you do. The bigger the social media you have, the more chances you are of claiming these NFTs as prizes. So that's it. That's it. I hope this video helps anyone out who's sitting at home and wants to get exposure to cryptocurrency, but doesn't have any money to even get into into crypto. This is a way for you to get exposure to crypto by participating in helping the communities grow, by taking part, by shilling the projects, promoting the projects, and taking part in these free giveaway NFT airdrops and so on. That is it for this video. Hopefully this will make you some profit. All the links will be down below. If you want to get in contact with me, follow me on my social medias. I don't want to forget to say this, but if you do like this content, give me a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment, and yeah, just stay updated with all these latest trends, because this is a really fast-paced industry. So the last thing you want to do is come across something you're unable to get the exposure, and then you watch the project like go to the moon, but you don't seem to have any of it, but you did hear about it. That can be a really frustrating thing. So this is one way for you to be able to get access to these opportunities out there without any investment needed. None. You don't need any investment for this. You just need Wi-Fi, and that's all. That's everything for this video. If you want to get access to more in-depth content and even a full list of exactly the NFT giveaways that I will be participating in, you can check out my Patreon, which is down below. It's for members only. I will set a list of all the exact NFT giveaways and airdrops. It saves all my members a lot of time. With that, they don't have to do any research of their own to get access to all this, because I literally just do all the research myself, and then I just spoon feed everybody on my Patreon what are the ones that I will be participating in with the full instructions of how to do it. And that's one of the benefits for joining the Patreon. The link to that is down below. And if you want to check this out, that'd be great. It might help you on your journey to success. And a lot of the material there is there to help you to become independent and also learn more about cryptocurrency than what you'd normally be able to get from watching YouTube videos for free. So without all that said, without anything further ado, thanks very much for listening to the video. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and also don't forget to leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.